Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to try to video mocap the Japanese animation, the Pokemon Ash. We are going to try is that really can perform the mocap and have a look. Alright, this is just a cartoon and anime, the manga. So it have the video, it have the body motions. We just try it. We never try, we never know. Let's go. Click the video mocap in iClone 8 and I'm going to just upload it. I drag and drop into here. Right. So next I'm going to just trim the motion. Just a few parts here. Just a few seconds is enough. We just want the Ash Ketchum. So it's until here. So we don't want the Pikachu and another Pokemon here. We just want the Ash Ketchum. So next I'm going to just detect the actor. It is going to detect it, yes, Ash Ketchum. Apply the setting, include the fingers. With full body, just apply the setting. Dancing of Ash, Pikachu and Oshawa. So now, next I'm going to just generate the motion. Have a try. Get the motion. Now it is preparing. After a few seconds, it is going to finish upload and just give you the iClone motion file. Just have a look. Done. It is applicable. It already finished. Done. So I'm going to just apply the reference video to a billboard and apply the motion. This one I'm going to just drag it to the side here. Apply the motions and just wait for a while. We are going to look at the result. Play. Wow, done. It's really applicable. So we already proved that the video mockups of the iClone 8, it can detect and also it can capture the Japanese manga cartoon animations. And that is really cool. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!